A forgotten survival knife buried in mud is transformed into the sharpest survival blade. Show deep cleaning, rust removal, repairing the chipped edge. This video shows the dedication and patience of a man as he carefully cleans and restores a completely rusted knife. You'll witness the incredible transformation of the blade from its original, corroded condition to its fully restored appearance. Polishing, sharpening on whetstones. Videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you'll stay updated with my latest uploads.